See, that's
Guys.
periwinkle. But yours is a little.
Oh wait. You showing me the color?
Yeah.
I'm thinking it's a carrot. I'm thinking something else is like a.
What is up, guys? Back on another video.
It's a
Today I'm with
flower.
my family.
Why it's not lavender? What's the difference between that and lavender?
Why don't you just pass the camera to me?
Hey girl. Hey.
So that's Uncle Dejan.
In the cut. You already know what it is. Uncle Chris back on the camera with my homeboy, Uncle Dejan, you feel me? And we back with another video with the homeboy, Big Man Heavy D, the man himself, the man, the myth, the legend, the oh my God, no he didn't, Darren Brown himself. Round of applause.
Only you would know that. What's up? Wait, what concert or wait, what is that one, Mom? No,
Kevin Hart's tickets are on sale.
So
Where?
He's coming in September.
I'm watching
We have to
TV,
go.
guys. It's right
We, like,
How
there.
much are tickets?
I'm about to
And
look him up right now.
I don't know what is going on today. But Uncle Dejan here. And Uncle Chris. And Nani.
Hey, everybody.
We over here like this is some good water. Like, yeah, we like, what is this?
It's that
We need the best
New York tap water is good. My
In the
doctor
world.
even said it's good. It's better than bottled water.
Did you see my dough? It's not ready yet. It's like mom's. My dough is not better than mom's, right? Right. Guys, you want to see my water?
Can I get my wine?